What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today I got a real short video. If you saw my video before on how I fixed my friend's radiator, I'm going to just give you a quick clip of that video on how I fixed his broken radiator fan. This will help you guys out just in case you have to fix your front. Okay, the fan is off. And this radiator is garbage to the recyclable. Look, it's not even straight. Holy kidney. At the fan, right here, there are plastic tabs that go into a rubber grommet. The rubber grommet is right there. You see those two holes? He doesn't have the rubber grommets. I guess they fell off from the accident. And the tabs are broken. So he doesn't have to order a new fan. What I'm going to do is take two screws. What I did was I put these screws in. You can see here and here. So those screws, like I said, are going to fit into those little holes. I was going to put rubber on it, but the screws fit in pretty good and I didn't hear any vibrations when I shook it. So I'm just going to connect everything. Alright, YouTube, that's all I got for you today. I just hope it helps you out. Remember to like, subscribe, follow. Also check out my podcast. I'll be doing all the three-wheelers, Ryker riders, slingshot owners, spider riders, anything you're rolling on three. Just remember to check out my podcast. It's on all streaming platforms. And remember to like, subscribe to my page. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.